Post shifting to our home in 2018, we started our plant parenting journey. Over the period of time, we have gained quite a bit of knowledge on plants through our trial and errors, few successes and few failures. Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all our experience with money plant, how to grow it faster, bushier, where to keep it, how to propagate, its benefits, and how to decorate our home with money plants. Presenting you here an all-in-one guide about money plant. Also, this video is in association with Skillshare. So, let's get started. Let's start with just a very small introduction to the variety of money plants. Money plant, also known as pothos or devil's ivy, the best creeper house plant with foliage. In India, we mostly find golden pothos, marble or manjula pothos, heart-shaped money plant, neon money plant, etc. If you wish to know more, please visit our Pinterest boards balcony section. Both soil and water can be used as a medium to plant pothos. You can use moss sticks or this type of ready-made metal structure for the pot, or a criss-cross wall mesh to help money plants creep like this. We can grow money plants in water too. We use water to propagate money plants, basically to grow roots from the stem. Once done, the same can be transferred to the soil. We have a few bottles, vases and wall planters to propagate money plants. Make sure to change water every week to avoid fungus and mosquito larvae. We need to avoid direct harsh sunlight for the money plant, or else they will burn. Morning time soft sunlight is fine for them though. Now this is a very important tip. In low light conditions, our plants will survive. They will not thrive. If you do not observe any new growth over time, move your plant to a well-lit area in your home. After a couple of weeks, you will start observing new growth. Place them right beside the window or in the balcony. They love indirect sunlight and grow very happily, faster and bushier. If your pothos are not growing well, lack of fertilization can be one of the reasons. We can use water-soluble nitrate-based fertilizer or seaweed or vermicompost once a month in summer and spring when they grow faster. Mix the fertilizer in water and pour the water in pots. That's it. Just ensure that the quantity of fertilizers varies as per the pot size used. Read the instructions on the bottle carefully before using. Along with good light and fertilizer, a plant needs good and healthy roots to grow faster and bushier. If your plant's not growing nicely, then take it out from the soil to find out if root rot is the issue or if it has healthy roots. If roots are not healthy, then leave it in the water for some time for the roots to develop nicely. After a few weeks, when it grows roots in water, transfer it to the soil. You will be amazed how faster and bushier it will grow. Keeping plants healthy and maintaining them according to different seasons is a big challenge. We need to know how to do it in a right way. If you are a beginner and you are planning to start plant at home journey, then Christopher Griffin's class on Skillshare will give you all the information you are looking for. I took this class to understand how to find perfect plants for our home. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes on lifestyle, interior design, plants and many more. It is like finding everything under one single roof. All these classes are taught by industry experts and leaders in their respective fields. You never get distracted while learning a new skill, as these classes are ads-free. You can learn how to grow veggies and herbs at home from our Indian creator Ekta Chaudhary's Indo Gardening class. The classes I have shared with you in our previous videos on real productivity and creative tips for interior designing has been really helpful in growing and exploring my creative side. You can learn new things from them and gain access to the entire library of Skillshare for less than 1800 annually. That comes to less than 150 rupees per month, which is way less than this ceramic planter. As they say, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. I will share a custom link in the description box below for your reference, and the first 1000 people to click on the link will get 1 month free trial classes of Skillshare. Pruning is equally necessary to grow a bushier money plant. Prune those inactive stems and it will encourage new growth. Either you can grow money plant upward or downward. To grow them upward, keep pruning the stems which are coming down, so the plant will divert its food and energy to the stems which are moving upward, and same applicable with downward stems. We can use U-shaped hairpin or metal wires not to stress the root when they are going down, or use discarded pen or skewers to tie them. Remember, patience too plays an important role in achieving the desired result. If you want to grow the money plant inside the home, then select a small pot, so that while it is away from the direct sunlight, still the soil will dry faster and won't cause root rot. It's good to have a pot with a hole at the bottom for the excess water to drain out. In summer, we need to water our plants frequently, and in winter, the need of the water goes down. सुनने में बड़ा आसान लगा, नहीं? This equation sounds pretty simple. Well, it is not. Water plays a big role in their growth. We need to water judiciously to avoid root rot with excessive supply. Try to water only when the topsoil is dry. You can see yellow or brown leaves due to uneven watering or too little watering or overwatering. Or root rot can be a reason. Repotting helps in such cases.
Don't listen to what everyone else says. Take your time. You're not there, miss. Yeah, you might not be at your best, but it's fine. I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer.
As per Vastu, we should keep money plants in the southeast direction for prosperity and good health, and northeast direction should be avoided. Benefits of money plant? Well, when there are many, number one benefit is we can decorate our home with money plants. They are not at all a costly affair. Over the time, you can propagate and have more and more plant babies. To decorate our home, keep them on top of the almirah or on the shelves or on kitchen counters. Hang them in a beautiful basket. Wherever you keep money plants, they will increase the beauty of your home. According to NASA, money plants are approved air purifying plants. Money plants add value to a healthy lifestyle by removing indoor air pollutants. It is believed to reducing stress and bring positive energy at home. I believe it is true for any plant we bought home. Plants makes us so happy. Watching them growing, dancing with wind, that new baby leaf, it is sheer pleasure. A little effort and dher sara happiness. As they say, Keep going, keep growing. I hope these tips will help you to understand your money plant in better way and take better care of them. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these tips, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Home #Life. You can also find us on Instagram and Facebook for more videos, pictures and life updates. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.